We are here at FESPA Textile 2016. We are at the Pongs stand and with one of the managers of the company who is going to tell us what are you showcasing in this stunning stand.
Welcome at Pongs. Pongs is one of the biggest technical textile manufacturer in the world. What we show here is printing your world, which I think is the way you can walk around on FESPA. You see all these high-tech printing machines. At the end of the day, what you do with your prints, we have the ideas. So we have the materials and we have the ideas to create your own world by printing this world. And then it starts to become really interesting. If you follow me, we not only print static things, we print on things which can be brought in forms. This is an elastic material we produce, and it's also a printing material. It starts to become super interesting if you watch a wall like this, which is pretty impressive. It's backlighted, so you need a textile, which is a backlighting textile. We are the experts, we have the material, and if you go close, you see a printing quality which is really beyond.
And how about these armchairs? This actually took my attention. They are also digital textile printed. They are your product?
Well, some of them, these are, Pongs has several sections. One is also decorative materials. So we create out of our nicest materials, we create products to inspire people what they can do with our products. The others you see are acoustic textiles, which is another big idea people are needing like really desperately because modern architecture has lousy acoustic. So we have textiles which change the acoustic into something nice, and now we are back on FESPA, these textiles are printable. So whatever you want to become, it can become by printing it. Very interesting, you see on these cubes, you see on the furniture. You won't experience it in the camera, but if you sit in one of these chairs, you really feel the acoustic changes. And yeah.
Yeah, you mean these chairs that we are just in front of us?
Yes. Pretty amazing. Is made out of two different acoustic materials. This is our high-tech Silencio material, which has a three-dimensional surface. Is also a printing material. If you look at the back, you see it printed. And another very interesting material is Acoustic, also an acoustic material. It's also printable. You can combine it to cushions, to chairs, to walls, to ceilings. And then it becomes super interesting. Pongs on top has a wall and ceiling system, which allows to implement all the ideas which you have printed in your world. So on the wall, on the floor, on the ceiling, on furniture, on chairs, on cushions.
Almost everything.
Almost everything.
So Pongs brings the materials, but also brings the creativity. But where Pongs, where create the creativity? Where does it comes? How do you come with these creative ideas?
Well, we have the feeling that the FESPA is a creative fair. So if we come here, we want to inspire people. So we want people enter our booth and say, wow. And then they become curious, and then we ask to talk, and when we come into interaction, and that's how we think we should be part of this fair.
And Ralf, can you finish by telling us why it's so important to you FESPA? What FESPA means to you?
Well, this is the fair for printing expertise. And we are the manufacturer of printing textiles, so we're very good here.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your participation at FESPA and for showing us this stunning stand that today your team have created.
Thank you very much and welcome everybody who wants to come and have a look.